Introduction to Programming for Beginners. Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks. It's a skill that opens up a world of possibilities, from building websites and mobile apps to developing software and analyzing data. Here's a comprehensive introduction for beginners. What is programming? Programming involves writing code in a language that a computer can understand. This code tells the computer how to perform tasks, solve problems, or automate processes. At its core, programming is about problem-solving and logical thinking. Why learn programming? 1. Career opportunities. Programming skills are in high demand across various industries including tech, finance, healthcare, and more. 2. Problem-solving skills. Programming enhances your ability to think logically and solve problems efficiently. 3. Creativity and innovation. It allows you to bring your ideas to life, whether it's a website, app, game, or data analysis tool. 4. Automation. You can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and increasing productivity. Basic concepts in programming. 1. Variables. Containers for storing data values. Example, stores the number 5 in a variable named. 2. Data types. Different kinds of data that can be processed by the computer, such as integers, strings, and booleans. Example blah. 3. Operators. Symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Example. 4. Control structures. Direct the flow of the program. Includes conditional statements, see, loops, and functions. Blocks of code designed to perform a particular task. 5. Syntax. The set of rules that defines the combinations of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs in a language. 6. Debugging. The process of finding and fixing errors in your code. Popular programming languages for beginners. Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners. It's widely used in web development, data science, automation, and more. JavaScript is essential for web development, enabling dynamic content on websites. It runs in the browser, making it easy to see immediate results. Java is a versatile, object-oriented language used in various applications from mobile apps like Android to large-scale enterprise systems. C++ is an extension of C with object-oriented features. It's used in game development, high-performance applications, and systems programming. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and ease of use, often used in web development with the Ruby on Rails framework. Getting started with programming. First, choose a language that matches your goals. Python is highly recommended for beginners due to its simplicity. Next, set up your environment. Install the necessary software such as a code editor like VS Code or Sublime Text and the language's compiler or interpreter. Then, learn the basics. Focus on understanding basic concepts like variables, data types, control structures, and functions. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient. Solve problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codecademy. Build projects. Apply what you've learned by building small projects such as a calculator, to-do list app, or simple game. Finally, join a community. Engage with other learners and experienced programmers on forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or local coding meetups. Resources for learning. Online courses are a great start. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer comprehensive programming courses. Next, look into tutorials and documentation. Official documentation and tutorial sites like W3 Schools, Python.org, and MDN WebDocs are invaluable. Books can also be very helpful. Titles like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart and Eloquent JavaScript by Maren Haverbecke are excellent choices. Lastly, interactive platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy provide interactive coding exercises. Tips for success. Start small. Begin with simple programs and gradually tackle more complex projects. Break down problems. Divide larger problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask for help from the community or use online resources when stuck. And most importantly, stay curious. Keep exploring new topics and technologies to expand your knowledge. Programming is a valuable and rewarding skill that can open doors to numerous opportunities. By starting with the basics and gradually building your knowledge, you can become proficient and create amazing things with code. Happy coding!